SSC 2021 torch that I really like. And when you charge this torch, you make sure that your butane container is slipped right on the valve very carefully. That valve is right here in the bottom of the torch, and it engages with the nozzle in the can just like that, and then you hold it completely upright and fill till it starts to sputter. You'll get a little bit of leakage, and then when it starts to sputter, you're done. One thing that's really nice about this torch is it has a very easily removable venturi in here that allows you to take it out very easily. A couple of bolts come off, this pulls off, you can take it out and clean it. Usually what happens to all these small butane torches is they get plugged, and that's what stops them and makes them run down. So in using this torch, has a safety lock right here. Counterclockwise, about a turn, start it up, and then adjust it to the height that you want. And so you can see here that the length of the flame is just about 1.5 inches. It's actually way out here, but your focal point is right around in here. The focal point is the blue tip. The focal point is the tip that you see out here. That is your effective piece for using the torch. When you're using this torch, for the most part, you're pointing it straight down. However, any torch of this nature, if you come over the bezel like this, you may very well blow the torch out because it's running out of oxygen. So most of the time when you're doing your torch, you're staying away from the inside of the bezel. It'll be used just like any other torch where you're running around the outside of the bezel so you get it warm enough and watch the solder flow from the inside to the outside. You can adjust this torch to very low, which is really nice. Right around there, and it can be used at that point. Much lower than that, and it's going to sputter out, which is common for all little torches like this. And then your high temperature is way up there. It's 2,500 degrees temperature no matter whether you're low temp or high temp. Operating method for this torch is, in order to prevent harming the torch and prevent harming your work, is that you would have your blue point touching the material you're working on. If you get too close, you hear that noise and see that spot, that means you're too close. And instead of the flame being pointing straight down now, it's coming out to the side. So that's an area you want to do. If you get up too high, just like other torches, it's going to spread the heat. So it's really important where you have your torch. Shutting it off is just a gentle touch till it goes off. Then you can reinstall your safety lock and put it away.